There we are. How the hell are you guys doing this morning? It's like 6 a.m. and I didn't plug the fucking Dodge in. And CP has a dock appointment, and I'm supposed to be taking my gooseneck trailer in for some repair work. And I don't know if it's gonna fucking start. With the wind chill, it's minus 44 Celsius here. Regular temp is minus 33 or 34. Yeah, he cold. He cold. Is it gonna start? He's been a good starter, but I guess we'll just wait and see. The glow plugs are glowing. I've got bad feelings here, but you never know. Minus 32 by the truck. Oh. Oh. We'll try the glow plug one more time. These batteries have never been changed. It's close, but no cigar. So, it hasn't been plugged in, so I guess I'm gonna pop the hood, throw a battery charger on her, give her the boost option, and I'm sure it'll go at that point. We'll bring you guys back after. It's a no-go. Okay, he's on boost option. You can see the dial there, start. Realistically, it's a let's rock and roll, right? And do this again. Might actually need a few minutes on the charger before it'll actually go. Preheat. Yeah. I don't think so. I don't think so. He's gonna need a few minutes. He fucking cold. He fucking cold, guys. It's a no-go. We'll give him a few minutes like that. And then we'll come back and try him again. Let's just check our continuity. Oh yeah, she's fucking going through there all right. She's a little fucking cold. All right, guys, I'll let you go. We'll bring you back a little bit later. I'll give her 10-15 minutes on there. Talk to you. Well, guys, it's a no-go. The charger is on. He's plugged in. Been plugged in for an hour. And now the glow plugs don't want to work. Just about had them. But just about don't mean shit when it's minus fucking 40, right? CP's gone to her appointment. He'll start. It's going to take another hour, hour and a half probably of being plugged in. And then I'm sure it'll go. But, yep, shouldn't have been a dumbass. Should have fucking plugged it in. Anyway, I'll let y'all go. We'll talk to you guys later. I'm going in to warm up. It's fucking cold out here. Alrighty, guys. Attempt number 1564. Glow plugs do not want to come on anymore. Service trailer brake system. Yeah. Blah, blah, blah. Let's give her a whirl. What the hell? What the hell? That's no damn good. It just doesn't. I don't know what the hell's going on here. It's the first time it's ever done that to me. It rolls over and acts like it wants to start and doesn't. It actually just dies. But it's rolling over strong. What the hell? You son of a bitch. This ain't good, guys. This is not good. Oh, I'm not sure. I think I'm going to have to make a couple of phone calls, talk to a couple mechanicos, and see what the hell they say. I'll bring you guys back in a minute. He definitely is not liking this. But he started. And all it was getting my ass in the fucking driver's seat. And then hit the ignition 3 times, and it kind of resets the fucking shit in there. But yeah, he ain't liking this at all. Anyways, it's running, so we're gonna let him warm up real good. We'll talk to you guys later. Alrighty, guys, so here we go, on our way to the city, finally. 11:30, 4 hours late, but whatever, what do you do? I phoned spring service in Regina, and I told them that, yeah, we're gonna be late, truck doesn't want to start. So they said, no problem, we'll deal with it when you get here. Okay, fine. And this trailer, it's not a huge rush to get it done. I just want to get it done. How's that sound? I do want to use this trailer relatively soon. So, and it's like a 3.5, 4 hour drive one way. So, yeah, I want to get this sucker so she's trailering straight and not friggin' dog trailing 6-8 inches type of thing, spanning 32 feet. Anyway, let's get our butts to the city and get this trailer delivered. And we'll see what happens after that. Talk to you guys later. Well, here we are, guys. There it is. Regina Spring Service. If you guys need you guys got a trailer or truck or equipment that needs work on, brakes, springs, suspension, all that kind of stuff, get it in here. They also do SGI claims. So I'm gonna shut that off. Alrighty, I gotta put a mask on. We're still under mandate here at this point, but hopefully, according to our provincial government, that's gonna be changing soon. So I'm gonna let you go. We'll talk to you guys later. Alrighty. Oh, how about that? They had the bay wide open and waiting for me. Nice. Yeah, gotta like that kind of stuff, right? Just pulled the trailer right into the shop. This way it can thaw out for a couple hours before they start working on it. Everybody's happy. And hopefully, next week, Monday, Tuesday, it'll be a lot warmer for when I come to pick it up. Hopefully. Alrighty. Now, let's get on over and meet CP. We'll catch you guys here in a little while. There she goes. And now she's looking at us. Where the hell are we? JB's Sausage Supplies. Oh, the friggin' mask. The friggin' mask. COVID. The goddamn mask. She's not going to let me in without my mask. We really like this place. We get lots of stuff from here. Okay, later. Alrighty guys, see this car right here? It's been driving for 5 fucking blocks with a blown front right tire. What the fuck? Pull the fuck over. Nope, he's on the fucking rim. There's chunks of fucking tire coming off. You know, some people and their children just should not have a fucking license, because that's friggin' ridiculous. Okay, before I get stopped by the coppers, I better get the hell off my phone. But yeah, how about that, eh? Later, guys. Alrighty, guys, so here he is, BP's famous weather report. So what have we got going on today? Well, this morning we had ourselves cold, clear, and sunny skies. By the noon hour, she started changing around. Fog started moving in. It's overcast, and right now, currently at 1:30 in the afternoon, we are sitting with wind gusts of 40. Now get ready, boys and girls. It's minus 26 right now. Wind gusts of 40. Feels like minus 37. Tonight, here's the ticket kicker, okay? You better pull down your hats, pull up your pants, pucker up your bum cheeks, because she's going to get nasty. We got ourselves like 5 to 10 coming in. With wind gusts of 60, possibly 70, who knows, it might get even up to 80. It's gonna warm up to plus 15, the snow's gonna melt, and everybody's gonna be tickled pink. But, until it warms up to plus 15, we're gonna have a temperature variance of minus 43 to basically plus 5. This is all going to shake down in a matter of about 4 hours. And I'm calling myself a professional weatherman. We'll talk to y'all later. Alrighty guys, well sorry I didn't bring you back for any of the cow feeding stuff, but fuck, I didn't lie about the wind. It's getting stronger and stronger. I think she's up to 55 so far, and the temperature is fucking still cold. That wind bites. Temperature actually warmed up to like minus friggin' 26 or some damn thing. 25, 26. And it's supposed to warm up throughout the night. But that wind is fucking picking up. And it is starting to blow. Anyway, what are we looking at? Okay, well, we butchered that beef a week ago, right? And my buddy had this little tiny trailer here. It's insulated trailer. It's got a little cooler on the inside of it. Like a little refrigerating type unit, right? It's only like 4.5 feet tall, wide, and 4.5 feet tall, and about 8 feet long. So you can't hang a full side of beef or a full quarter of beef on the inside. But if you split it, just a sec, guys. Ah, come on. You freaking phone. And because it's cold, my phone don't want to work. Darn thing. Anyways, that gives you a gist of it if I step back a bit. There. So if you cut your animal into 3 pieces per side, you can actually hang it that way. What the guy did, he installed like a square barn door track in the roof here, and then you just slide it on that rack. It seems to work. And our temperature, we've been maintaining basically 0 Celsius, so that's where we want to be. Anyway, we had to put a heater on the inside of it because it was too cold. Okay, I'm going to let you guys go. And that's the end of this one, so I'll show you the outside maybe when I get outside. We'll talk to you later. Alrighty, to give you an idea of what it's like out here. Goddamn wind. It was snowing a little bit, but that friggin' wind is terrible. Again. Anyway, my hand's freezing, so comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Fun, I think. Let's get her done. We'll catch you guys later.